Welcome, my name is Thomas and this is Smart Home Training. This video is part of a video online training that I present to you for free. New videos will be published every week. But if you can't wait so long, please go to smarthome-training.com and use the offer code SMARTPeople to get a discount. This is just one of the ways to support me. You can also become a Patreon and please check the tiers, they are really great. But now, enjoy today's lesson. Yes, welcome to the next video, and as I said, now we're going to install and use a software called Putty here on Windows. If you're a Mac user, simply Google how to connect via SSH to a Raspberry Pi. You will find stuff, and you just simply open your browser and then you can put in Putty download. Yeah, so it's P-U-T-T-Y and then download. You will get here to the download page, download here. This site is also very good. You will see here a Unix archive or Windows installer. Please download the Windows installer when you're on Windows like I am here. I will not download this because already installed, of course, to save time. So here we have Putty, and the first connection will take place with the host name openHABian Pi. Yeah, so as you can read here, openHABian Pi. This port will stay 22, and you can see here connection type SSH. Yeah, so on other computers than a Windows PC without Putty, it's different, but you will have a host name, of course, you will have a port, and you will have a connection type. And if you now open this, you can see you get a warning message, and you can simply say yes, because it's the first time you connect to this computer. And now the login is openHABian. Yeah, the username is openHABian and the password is openHABian as well. So now can see what I told you in the last lesson. You can see the system is now starting openHABian initial setup, and you can see here the time running through. Yeah, don't be irritated here. This time is at the moment UTC. You will have another time zone after the Raspberry Pi has booted completely. Yeah, so the time will change later on. That's it. Yeah, this will take now a couple of minutes, half an hour, maybe 54 minutes. As I told you, grab a coffee, eat a meal, and get back. So see you in the next video, and I will show you important stuff for the setup, how to change your password. You should do this, of course, and maybe how to change your host name, something like that, so you have your own personal host name and it's easier to connect to the system. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Please remember, you can buy the whole course right now at smarthome-training.com. You become a Patreon, and you also could subscribe and put on the bell button. That's perfectly fine, so you get notified when the next lesson is uploaded. And I would like to thank you again, say bye-bye, see you next week.